What is going on, y'all? Welcome back to yet another video. Today we're going to be reviewing some more Shine Armor products. So we have them right over here. These are two of their graphene ceramic spray, and what this is, it's a ceramic coating spray for your car, motorcycle, whatever you want. And there are two versions over here. They're pretty much the same product. The white bottle is what they have been shipping out to their customers for the longest time, and then the black one is the new updated version. So I don't know if there's like a formula change, but basically this is the new updated version of the graphene ceramic spray. This is basically a hydrophobic coating that's going to go on your paint surface, vinyl surface, or even carbon fiber. And what it's going to do is it'll add a nice sheen to it, like a nice gloss finish. And it's also going to make it super slick and water resistant. So on rainy days or when your car gets dirty, it makes it a lot cleaner, so it's easier to wash off. Nothing sticks onto the surface, and the application process is pretty simple. So I'm going to show you guys in a little example using both of these products. I'm going to use the white bottle first, and then we're going to be doing a little bit of a water test to show you guys what the hydrophobic coating does. So Shine Armor also provides some really nice high quality microfiber cloths. So what you want to do is you want to fold it up into like a little square like that, and then you want to take your product, you want to release the locking mechanism and give it a nice spray onto the towel. What I like to do is actually spray a little bit on the surface just so there's a little bit more coating. And you want to take your towel and you want to buff it on in circular motions. Now as you do this, you're going to actually feel the resistance on the paint start to release. So it gets smoother and smoother as you buff it on, which is a pretty cool sensation. Now you also want to do this on an overcast day. For me, it's sunny out. It hasn't been overcast all that much because it is summertime. But after you wipe on the product, you can just run your finger through it and feel how slick it actually is, which is amazing. Now for the other side, I'm going to use the new updated version. So I'm going to spray it directly onto the surface. And I think the actual colored liquid makes it a little easier to see where you're actually spraying it and wiping it onto. So I do actually like how the black bottle comes, with a black tint to it. And after you wipe it on, you want to switch the towel around to the dry side and just wipe off any excess. Oh wow, that feels really smooth. Now my car is vinyl wrapped. I'm pretty sure if you have a painted surface, it would create the same effect, if not better. Very simple application process. You just spray it onto your surface and you wipe it on. And I like to do about 2 passes or so, just so you have a little bit more product onto the surface. This is great to do in between car washes. That way, your car washes will be a little bit easier. Now I would suggest washing your car prior to doing this, so then you can really get that product onto the surface itself rather than sticking onto all the dirt and grime. Check that beading effect. It just flows right off. Look at all the water beads on here. Now this area, it did kind of pull up a little bit because it is curved, but it doesn't seem to actually stick on the surface. So, and if I like push it, look at that. It's like jello in a way, it just comes off. So as you can see, all these little water particles on here, if I give it like one little swipe, boom, all of it is absorbed. As you can see, just a little swipe across. That just shows that the water isn't really sticking onto the surface. And as I run my finger through it, it's actually completely dry. So it's not like the towel is spreading it apart. Look at all that, all those water particles, boom. Gone in 1 second. So yeah, really impressed guys with what Shine Armor has been pushing out. All their products have been quite amazing. I haven't had any complaints with any of them. If you guys want to check them out, there'll be a link in the description to check out their graphene ceramic spray along with their other products. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next one.